Right. Positive values only. Okay. Positive values only we can take cos values. Positive values means we take cos. Negative means now you can see negative mean positive values means we take only cos or cot, but negative values means either sine or tan. Positive values, positive value. Therefore, we should take positive values. We should take what values we are going to take. One time we can observe. Positive values mean we should take. Positive value means we should take only cos only. First I am going to take right-handed side RHS. So what is the cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x? Positive value domain is given. Therefore, we should take cos only. So 1 by 2 is the positive, 1 also positive, positive values is given. We should take cos only. Okay, na? So now we can see. Let x is equal to cos theta. If necessary, cos come this side. Cos inverse of x is equal to theta. So cos inverse of x is equal to theta. Now substitute in this one. Now substitute cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this is the cos 3 theta. This is the formula of cos 3 theta. This is the formula of cos 3 theta. Therefore, cos and the cos inverse both are cancelled. Then 3 theta. What is the theta value? You can see among theta value is the cos inverse x. That is the LHS. So therefore, now write down LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now see, everyone now we can see. Right. So everyone see, now the third problem you can see. Everyone observe the third problem. What is the third problem is? So first write down. Everyone see the textbook third problem. What is the third problem is? So first third problem, tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. So is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. I am taking left hand side. I am proving the right hand side. Everyone observe. I am taking the left hand side. Okay, na? I am taking the left hand side. So what is the left hand side is? So tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. tan inverse of 7 by 24. Is it clear? So now, what is the formula I am going to use here? Already we have to discuss the formulas, that is the properties of the inverse trigonometry function. So here is, so properties of inverse trigonometric function we have to be discussed here. So what is the property inverse trigonometric function is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. This formula should be write down in my here. First, everyone write down this formula left hand side. So write down fast. First, you have to write down. Everyone write down this formula. First, you have to write down tan inverse of x place is the 2 by 11 plus y place is the 7 by 24 by 1 minus x place is the 2 by 11, y place is the 7 by 24. Now everyone simplify. Now simplify. Tan inverse of, so numerator LCM 2 into 24 is a 48 plus 11 into 7 is a 77 by denominator is 11 into 24. 11 into 24 by denominator right on. So cross multiplication 11 into 24 minus 2 into 7. LCM is 11 into 24. LCM is 11 into 24. These two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. Now write down tan inverse of, this is the 70. Now we can write 48 plus 77, 15. So 12, 125. 125 by denominator is observe the 24 into 11, that is the 24, 24. Therefore 4, 6, 2, 264 minus 14, 264 minus 14. 264 minus 14 is the 250. Write down 250. Tan inverse of 125 by 250. 125 how many times is cancelled? 2 times. 125 1 time and 125 2 times is cancelled. We get the answer is tan inverse of 1 by 2, that is the right hand side. Now write down LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So one time we can see the second problem. What they are going to ask the second problem is, so first what they are given, right hand side is the substitute x place is the cos theta. Then it comes into the cos 3 theta formula. Cos inverse and cos both are cancelled, 3 theta. Theta place right now. What is the theta is? Cos inverse x. Then we get the left hand side answer. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the fourth problem is, right, see the fourth problem. Fourth problem is, what is the given fourth problem is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. 31 by 17. Everyone observe, problem is correct now? So tan inverse of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 Already now, so already I tell na, take x is equal to cos theta. Take x is equal to cos theta for second problem. So everyone see left hand side is Anand one time see network problem that uh, see take left hand side everyone 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, tan inverse of 1 by 7. One time repeat, one time recollect. Last property. What is the last property? So sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square or cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square or tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. For all these three, I will write only one formula. What is that formula? Is 2 tan inverse of 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, na? 2 tan inverse of x. So for these all formula, so once again I am writing the formula. We can see sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square or cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square or tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. For these three, only one formula. What is that formula? Is 2 tan inverse of x. 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, na? 2 tan inverse of x. Already I lost property. Last property. So that last property, and sir, can you convert 2 tan inverse x is given na? 2 tan in either sine inverse or cos inverse or tan inverse. We are going to convert me. The problem is the tan inverse. Therefore, 2 tan inverse x, please write down this tan inverse formula. This tan inverse formula. If it is the sine problem, is write down sine inverse formula. If it is cos inverse, means write down cos inverse formula. This problem is the complete tan inverse formula. Therefore, you should be write down tan formula only. Therefore, in place of this one, 2 tan inverse x, I am going to write tan inverse of x place is the 1, 2x, x place is the 1 by 2 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 2 square. I will write 2 tan inverse formula, 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x. Because of this is the not sine inverse formula. This is not a cos inverse problem. This is the tan inverse. That's why I will take tan formula only. Okay, na? So now I will plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is the same. Tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now simplify 2 cancel. Tan inverse of 1 by denominator is the 1 plus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Tan inverse of 1 by 7. Next step is C. Tan inverse of by the LCM 4 by 5 reverse order 4 by 5. Is it correct? Plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Again, it comes into the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula is write down these two tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now write down this formula. So 2 tan inverse converted into the 1 tan inverse, 2 tan inverse of x and plus tan inverse of y. Now write down tan inverse of x place is the 4 by 5, y place is the 1 by 7 by 1 minus x into y, 1 by 7. Right, simplify, we get the answer 4 into 7, tan inverse of 4 into 7 is a 28 plus 5 into 1 is a 5 by LCM 7 into 5 35 by 35 35 minus 4 35 minus 4 LCM is a 35 35 35 is cancelled 35 is cancelled. I will write here. Everyone see tan inverse of 7 into 4 is a 28 plus 5 into 1 is a 5 by 35 is the LCM. Denominator is 35 minus 4 by 35. Now 35 is cancelled. Now we get the answer is tan inverse of 28 plus 5. 28. Now we can see 728 plus 5 is the correct by 31, 17. So 31 by 31 is coming. One time CM a problem. What is the problem is represent? Middle is the minus, middle is the minus, wrong formula, no wrong formula. Middle is the minus, middle is the minus means, middle is the minus, minus mean, middle is the minus, plus, now formula is the tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now see, 28 minus 5, 28 minus 5 by 35, 35 plus 34, this is the 20. So what is the, why we are getting wrong? 2 tan x formula is 2x by tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is the correct one. Not minus. 2 tan inverse x formula is, so see 2 tan x inverse x is 2 cancel, 4 plus 1 is the 5. What I am going to take 5 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now see, not minus, na middle, plus. Now see. What we are getting, see, 2x by 1 minus x square, right? 2x by 1 minus x square, tan inverse of 1 by, so that is a 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, na? Tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, na? Right. So this is tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now write down tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula. So tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now write down formula is, now write down. So tan inverse of x plus y, tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Now simplify. Now simplify, everyone. Right. Now simplify, everyone. Tan inverse of 28 plus 3 by 21. Denominator is the 21 minus 4 by 21. Now these two are cancelled. Tan inverse of 31 by 17. That is the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Write down everyone. Hence proved. Everyone correct, everyone. Everyone corrected problem. Everyone corrected. Problem is the plus only. Problem is the plus only. Okay, na? Okay. Problem is everyone noted, na? So plus only problem, not minus. Formula here is I will write wrong. So now it is clear. Now everyone clear, na? Right. Write the following function in simplest form. Fifth problem, CM everyone. Write the following function in simplest form. We have to write in simplest form. Write the following. Write the following in simplest form. In simplest form means we have to make the problem in the very simplest form. So very simple. We have to make the problem as a very simple. Up to how many problems is given? For the 5 to 10 problems. 5 to 10 problems we have to make in simplest form. We have to make in simplest form. Right. Everyone see the problem is. So first I will write fifth problem. Fifth problem, everyone see. What is the given fifth problem is tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. This is the problem they are going to give it. You have to make it as a very simplest form. Very simplest form. We have to make it as a very simplest form. For this, I will write formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Next one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Out of these three formula, which is the suitable formula we can observe and tell. What we are going to substitute, then we get in the simplest form of the answer is. What is the suitable substitution? Tell me. What is the suitable substitution? So you can see this is the tan inverse formula problem. Therefore, sin and cos we cannot use. So first one is failed because of tan inverse problem, tan problem. So we cannot use sin and cos. So next one is tan problem. Okay, we can use this formula or this formula. I am going to use this formula only. I am going to use this formula only. Okay, na? Right. So let x is equal to tan theta. If necessary, tan inverse of x is equal to theta. Now substitute tan inverse of x place write down root over x place is the tan square theta minus 1 upon x place is the tan theta. Right, 1 plus tan square theta is the secant square theta. So tan inverse of root over secant square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan theta means I will write sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Root secant square theta is the secant theta. Secant theta minus 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. Denominator is the sin cos relation. Therefore, secant theta also write down in terms of cos tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. Now take LCM. Now take LCM. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by LCM is the cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. The cos theta should be cancelled. What is the remaining? Write down, Amma. What is the remaining? Is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. Already we know the formula. So half angle formula 2 sin square theta by theta. Half angle is the theta by 2 by sin theta. Half angle formula is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula. But submultiple half angle formulas I will write. What is the cancellation? 1 2 is cancelled. 1 sin is cancelled. Sin by cos is remaining. Tan inverse of sin by cos is the tan theta by 2. Tan and tan inverse is cancelled. What is the remaining? Is theta by 2 means 1 by 2 into theta. 1 by 2 into theta. What is the theta? Is tan inverse x. Very simply scheme. Half into theta means tan inverse x. That is the very simplest form. Very simplest form. Okay, na? Very simplest form we can get. Very simplest form we can get. Only these three formulas, trigonometric, these three formulas should be remembered. Okay, na? Now I go through the sixth problem. Tan inverse of 1 by root over x square minus 1. What is the suitable substitution? Is observe and tell me. Observe the three formulas and tell me what is the suitable substitution is. What is the so this is the tan inverse problem. No use of the sine and the cos. Only tan. You can see in this tan is here not a 1 plus x square. Here not a 1 plus x square. Here there is no 1 plus x square. Last three steps repeat start. Okay. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the formula? Is 2 sine square theta. Here 2 theta is there. Half angle is the theta. 1 minus cos theta. Formula is 2 sine square. Here theta is there. Its half angle is the theta by 2. Okay, na? Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here 2 theta is there. Half angle is the theta. But sin theta is there. Half angle is the 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, na? Is it clear? I will write that one. Okay, na? Clear, na? So we have to write, so 2 sin square theta in place of 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin 1 minus cos theta place is the 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta cos theta is cancelled. Sin theta place is the 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel. 1 sin cancel. Sin theta by cos theta by 2 is the tan theta. Tan inverse and tan is cancelled. So theta by 2 means half into theta. Half into theta. What is the half into? What is the theta value we write? tan inverse x half into tan inverse x. Okay, right? Right. Everyone observe.